Hello everyone, it's Sam Fouladgar here and welcome to another episode of Sam's Got Your Back, where we talk about problems, issues that people are facing. You ask me questions, I give you the answers because I got your back. It's very simple. Okay, so how to be a great lover and partner. First of all, the person that you're with, you need to make sure that you really love that person. Like, I understand people are not perfect. So that person has to be someone that 80% of them you completely love. And the remaining 20% is a part of them that you've accepted, that you're willing to live with. If you're in a relationship where you want to change your partner, then I don't think you want to be with that partner. Go and find someone that you really want to be with. That's what happens with a lot of people's lives. They try to change the person that they're with, and I'm like, dude, then this is not the person you want to be with. You want to be with someone else. So 80% of that person you really, really fucking love. You're passionate about. 20% of them you're like, I'm okay with it. I'm willing to live with that. I accept them as they are. Second is that every person has a different love strategy. The way that they receive love is different. Some people like you to say nice things to them. Some people like you to get them presents. Some people like you to touch them in a certain way or look at them in a certain way. Okay? Sit with your partner and ask them this question. How do you know that I love you? What do I need to do for you to know that I love you? They're gonna tell you their strategy. Someone will tell you, oh, it's the way you look at me, in a certain way. Let them teach you how to be a great lover. Take feedback from them. The thing is, sometimes with our partners, we do stuff that shows us how other people love us. So we do the same thing with other people. Okay, you have to understand that their strategy is different. Okay, ask them, how do you know? What do I need to do to show you that I love you? Okay? Maybe they tell you, when you take me out for a dinner, when you tell me that you love me, I've gone through this relationship before where I used to tell my girlfriend, I love you, I love you, I love you, and then she'd still not be convinced, because to her, if you really loved me, you would take me out. You would buy me a small present. You would, get me something that I was thinking about the other day that I saw, or I don't know, whatever that is. For her, it was just something that it's the chivalry. She always said, it's the chivalry behind it. The thought that counts, that you were thinking about me somewhere outside. For me, it's telling me that you love me, looking at me in a certain way. Find out what it is for your lover and show them how you love them, how much you love them their way, not your way. And make sure that you are always trying to fulfill their needs. That's the third part. Make sure you fulfill their needs. Understand that their needs are your needs. Their emotions are very important to you. Their needs, as I said, are very important to you as well. So that's a great way to show that you're a great lover. How do I show confidence, or how do I increase my confidence? First of all, when you don't give a fuck about what other people think about you, you don't need confidence, in my opinion. When you are truly living your authentic self, you don't need confidence, my friend. There's no need for it. I explained in a couple of my videos, maybe I'll put the links down below and you can see those videos. I talk about status a lot. People are playing the game of status. They're trying to prove all the time that we are higher status. The things that you buy, the car that you drive, the house that you buy, is all trying to prove that you are higher status. You are more than what you think you are. And we have something called anxiety, status anxiety, which is, we're all trying to compare ourselves to other people around us. I don't have a problem, or I don't have status anxiety from, watching the King of Saudi with his cars and his mansions and all of that stuff. I don't mind that. Okay, I have a problem with my neighbor getting a new car. I have a problem with my colleague getting a promotion. That's what I have a problem with. So we're all trying to go up the ladder. So if someone goes up the ladder, you know, your colleague gets a promotion, then he got higher status. That means that you are lower status now. So that gives you anxiety, that gives you worry, that lowers your self-esteem. Because if I'm always comparing myself, so that's why people are so big on confidence. I need confidence, I need confidence. Why? Because they're trying to fight the antidote, or confidence is the antidote for dealing with people's judgments. You want to prove that you are stronger than people's judgments. And the thing is, if you're always comparing yourself, then definitely someone's going to be better than you at something. However, if you eliminate the game of status, if you eliminate the game of self-esteem, imagine there is no status. There is no self-esteem. In your mind, there is no status anymore. You're not comparing yourself anymore to anybody. Where they are is where they are. Where you are is where you are at this present moment. There's no good, there's no bad. You are living your journey. You are focusing on your lane completely. There's no up, there's no down. There's no raising your status. There's no lowering your status. There's no raising your self-esteem. There's no lowering your self-esteem. No one, because there's no continuum. No one can raise it, no one can lower it, because it doesn't exist in your dictionary. Some people tell me, oh, if there's no status, there's no self-esteem, then I don't have any motivation to do or whatever it is. I say no, it's the opposite. If there's no status, if I'm not comparing anymore, and I don't give a shit about increasing my self-esteem or lowering my self-esteem, or my self-esteem from getting hurt, then from now on, I'm just gonna do whatever I want to do, what gives me value. I'm not gonna be concerned with what Ali, Ahmed, John, Dickface thinks about me. I'm just gonna be concerned with what I really want, what I really need, what I really want to do with my life. Because I'm not concerned with what people think about me. I'm on my lane, there is no comparison, that's it. So I wouldn't be concerned with confidence. When you don't give a fuck, when you don't give a shit about what people think about you, there is no need for confidence. And always remember, Sam's got your back. Like, share, comment, send me your questions. I really want to help any way I can. And remember, Sam's got your back. Stay tuned. I love you.